Hey everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Is your attachment in Outlook refusing to open? Don't worry, Outlook can get a little picky with security settings or simply getting clogged up with too many attachments. And that's when things start acting up weird. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through a couple of really simple steps that anyone can do to get your attachments opening again. So stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have this problem sorted out. Method 1. Change protected view. So first, make sure your Outlook is updated. If it is updated, open any Word document and click on File in the top left corner. Alright, now look at the bottom left, you'll see Options. Just click on that. A new window will pop up. From here, go to the Trust Center tab. Next, click on Trust Center Settings. In this new panel that opens, click on Protected View. Now you'll see three check boxes under Protected View. You just have to uncheck all three of them. Once you've done that, hit OK, close everything and try opening your Outlook's attachment again. Alright, if your Outlook attachment still won't open, let's clear some space by saving attachments outside Outlook. Method 2. Store email attachments. First, open Outlook and then open any email that has attachments you want to save. On the attachment, click on the little drop-down arrow and choose Save As. Now, just browse to the folder on your computer, maybe Documents, Desktop, or any custom folder, and click on Save. Once it's safely stored outside Outlook, go back to the email, click on it, and hit Delete to remove it from your mailbox. Note, just repeat this for any attachments you don't really need inside Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.